Hey there friends, let's talk about Rivian. Okay, so people are wondering and people are asking, where do I stand with Rivian? What do I think about this? So obviously, we've known about Rivian for a very long time now. This is not a new company. If you've been following Rivian for the past 2 years, then you know about the company. But now we as investors can buy into the company because it is on the market for us to buy. So here's the part where it gets interesting. So where do we see Rivian going from now? So I'm going to be very honest. I made a video on Rivian probably about a year ago, and I said when this comes to market, it's going to be freaking nuts. And I think everyone knew this. There are 3 main EV companies right now that I think will be the main top dogs here in the next 10 years when it comes to the electric car, and that is going to be Tesla, Lucid, and Rivian. And I'm going to be honest, and I think a lot of people might agree with this, Rivian has the nicest looking vehicles. They have the common look. They have what people like and what they want. And they've already got deals coming in. Obviously, everyone knows about the Amazon deal. This is a deal that's been around for quite a while, but still, it is there. Now, obviously, when it comes to the stock, we are so, we're just a few hours in here with this being on the market. So, I don't really think people are looking at volume. They're not looking to see, what is this thing going to do, here next week, all that. I think this is going to be a teeter-totter situation, but this is going to be a very high teeter-totter situation. I think this is going to go from 100 to 130 to 120 to 150 to 150 back to 110. I think this is going to be an up and down situation, and I am so bullish on this freaking company. It's unreal. I believe this is, like I said, going to be a top contender here in the future. We're not seeing negative news, and it's got so much positivity around it. All the top analysts, all the news companies, everyone is speaking heavily and very positive about this company like they have been. The thing that we're seeing now, it is reacting so strong right now on the market to what is going on, and everybody wanting a piece of this. And obviously, we'll throw in this guy right here. I'm not going to leave this out of the pack. But those are going to be your main top dogs for EV companies. So friends, right now with all the publicity going on with Rivian, now the founder has $2.2 billion after the company's day of IPO pop. I'm going to be totally honest, I would be very shocked to see this kind of slow down. I don't really see this slowing down. Like I said, I think this is going to be a very heavy teeter-totter, high volume, and that's what we see a lot with these EV stocks. They can be at $40 one minute, then they can be at $70. They can be at $70, then they can be at $50. They can be at $50 and then go to, $70. They're just up and down. There's usually a lot of wiggle room, and there's usually a lot of volume on a daily chart. So yes, for people asking me, what do I think about Rivian? Do I think this is going to be the next big thing? I do. I really do. I'm not going to go into detail about the company because I've already made videos like that, and other people have too. There's plenty of information out there. They have a banging website. There's tons of information you as a person can look up with this company. And if this company does what they say they're going to do, and they complete just the deals that we know about right now, this is going to be a heavy contender for the EV market and the #1 position in the next 10 to 20 years. So friends, with all that said, I'm very bullish on this. And when I say $200 a share, I really don't think that's crazy. I think this is going to fluctuate from probably $100 to a $200 stock within the next year's time. And I will be buying Rivian every time I see a dip. So friends, remember, be positive, be you. Take time to invest in that future of yours. Very important, friends. Thank you so much. Be careful playing around the market. Talk to you soon, friends. Bye, everyone.